It's America's 250th celebration, and I'm gonna be drawing an American 250th design. Let's start drawing. So I drew the numbers 250. The camera can focus. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna draw the American flag in the numbers. I drew the American flag inside of the numbers. It looks good. It looks like I drew it really well. You can see the stars and the red stripes. I'm finally finished drawing it. This took me at least 3 hours to draw. You can see the numbers hiding into the American flag. This is perfect.